Wazana Ndlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly ngiyayithanda le topic yakho my sister. You know why? Because ubonisa abantu ukuthi abantu abangewona sometimes amaZulu imiqondo yabo ife kangakanani. Uyabona kulento ishoyo ne? Ngesikhathi ubaba uMsholozi because abanye baye bathi ubaba uMsholozi mayethatha eKZN iANC yavotelwa kakhulu, meaning during ubaba uMandela yavotelwa kancane, ubaba uMbeki yavotelwa kancane, but as soon as kuba uMsholozi yavotelwa kakhulu. And not forgetting ukuthi eKZN even during isikhathi sikababa Nelson Mandela most votes for ANC came from KZN. Even isikhathi sikababa uMbeki most votes for ANC came from KZN. Asidluleke lapho. It's something that people will never say. But what they always not say is that ngesikhathi ubaba uNcamalala ethatha all other provinces amavote akhona a decline kulawa kababa Nelson Mandela benobaba uMbeki. Only KZN voted kakhulu for ubaba uNcamalala because KZN is what? Is tribalistic. But lawa amanye provinces where we saw a decline, they are not tribalistic. But KZN, where we saw increase kuma vote for ubaba uNcamalala, they are tribalistic. But la kwamanye province okungekhona emazulwini lawa tribalistic, we saw a decrease, a decline in votes for ubaba uNcamalala. But those people are not tribalistic. They just decided they won't vote for ubaba uNcamalala because they have other reasons, not because he's Zulu. But KZN bayamvotela ngoba what? He's Zulu. So people, they always mislead, people, they always push propaganda as long as it serves them. That's why wena manje usithola ukuhlangana lama comment lapho, because for bona it's always about Zulu tribal. Everything that is wrong is Zulu. And it's very sad because there are people who believe that nonsense. And that is nonsense, pure nonsense. You know? Because you cannot tell me ukuthi abantu abavotela uNcamalala eKZN ba tribalistic labo bantu. And then nini ningamvotelanga anikho tribalistic kanjani? It means nani animvotelanga ngoba yizulu. Because laba bamvotele nithi bamvotela ngoba bamaZulu. But nini ningamvotelanga kakhulu kwaba nama decline nithi nina anikho tribalistic kanjani? Like make it make sense. Like I don't understand it. If uzothi uvotelwe ngoba abantu base KZN bona bayacwasa ngokubuhlanga, nina nangamvotela ngoba anike ngasiphi izathu? Because upresident weANC lo muntu, iANC yeyenu niyayithanda, but as soon as ingena yena and then niya decline. Noma ngaze kuthiwe wenzeni, but uyini uyiANC manje ngavoteli kusho ukuthi niluzisa bani iANC. So isiphi izathu nini? Akusiyo itribalism le. Hayi kwahleni bafethu usixhaphaza. So mina nje ngiyayithanda le topic yakho. Uma ngabe ufaka isikolo sifake, ungayiki futhi ungabi namahloni. People must know ukuthi siyababuka kule ndaba ayishoyo and sibabhekile vele.